It is the first week in April and I'm currently in Nashville, Tennessee. Woo! So what did I do before coming here? I had to say goodbye to a lot of friends, a lot of family. I had to quit my job. Whoa! I quit my job. I said goodbye to my coworkers. I went out with my friends. We went to this awesome water park. Went through this fast river, not a lazy river. Went through this really fast river. We got to like wear life jackets. I'm a really good swimmer, I promise, but life jackets helped us float down the river. It was amazing. It's so much fun. I went on water slides. I did the whole Florida thing. We also went swimming in this amazing place called De Leon Springs, and I went swimming all the way to the bottom. It was like 30 feet down. It was a freshwater spring, one of natural wonders of Florida. So that's one of the few ways I said goodbye to Florida. I did some volunteer work at this horse ranch in Orlando where I get to help kids with special needs through horse therapy or equine therapy. Amazing times in Florida. Thank you, Florida. I want to say thank you for giving me an awesome job, amazing friends, a place to stay for free. Thanks, Mom. I got to live with my mom for a little while. Couldn't find any place affordable to live, so now I'm living out of my car and I'm traveling the country. What? No gas, no mat. That's what I'm doing. And here we are now, Nashville, Tennessee. Rolling up my yoga mat. Rolling up the yoga mat. I just did my yoga. Gotta stretch before we hit the road. Alright, let's bring the yoga mat to the car. Come on, let's go. Alright, so we got our dry food supplies right here in the Baby Yoda bag. We got a big old pillow. We got our whale sharks. Our nature bag has all of our food containers, cups, things. We got our cooler, another yoga mat, neck pillow. This is sleeping bag, a few other things, giant water bottle. I'm putting my yoga mat in here. That's the last thing I'm gonna pack is the yoga mat, which, you know what, you're going here, and you're going here. Ta-da! All packed up, ready to go. Closing the door, closing the door. This is gonna get unplugged. I wish you could see this. There it is. Unplugging, unplugging.